स्वागत है आप सबका मैथस्केप इंडिया नेशनल अवार्ड्स में। यहाँ अवार्ड्स के साथ साथ होंगी सिजलिंग परफॉर्मेंसेस।
ऐसी क्या चली हवा कि ले गई मेरी सांसों को मुझसे दूर तेरे पास, और मुझे हुआ ऐसा
तैयार हो जाएं, क्योंकि ये है मैथस्केप इंडिया नेशनल अवार्ड्स। Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mantra and Karishma.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. स्वागत आप सबका at the Medscape Healthcare Awards 2014. An evening to felicitate the excellence in the medical fraternity in India.
Recognizing and saluting stalwarts and scions of the medical fraternity in India for the past 2 years. This is the 3rd edition of the Medscape Healthcare Awards.
Time now to put your hands together for the lady who has been relentlessly working towards the goal of nurturing and enhancing holistic healthcare in India, and winner of national and international awards for several social causes and for unique initiatives. The renowned radiologist and founder chairperson of Medscape India, Dr. Sunita Dubey. Come on, a huge round of applause for Dr. Sunita Dubey.
Medscape India family से आप सबको दिल से स्वागत. Thank you very much. And the Medscape India Award is like, it's a mission. There is a mission which we have to accomplish together. So I would like to say बहुत सारे कैंपेन आपके साथ मिलके प्रोजेक्ट्स किए गए हैं. मेडस्केप इंडिया 2006 में डेवलप हुआ आर्यन मेडिकल एजुकेशनल के ट्रस्ट के द्वारा. We did all the thing which could change the scenario today, but we need you. We have done handwriting campaign for the doctors. We have done female feticide campaigns. Many other activity we have done. And the biggest thing we have done, Doctors Anthem. Doctors Anthem जो है ये हमारी feelings को बताती है, patient की commitment को बताती है. As you know, one girl educated in any family can change the whole family. And if you're having every house one educated girl can change the entire country. So whole program is dedicated to women safety, women empowerment, women health. We have Army also who's associated with our organization, and they all are working very hard to save the life. But let's start this whole program in a good note, with a blessed note.
और इसके लिए हम स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहेंगे ऑनरेबल हेल्थ मिनिस्टर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा श्री लक्ष्मीकांत परसेकर,
Dr. Yogesh Dubey,
मिस्टर साहिल आनंद,
Dr. Neeraj Dubey,
मिस्टर मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन,
and Mr. Atul Joshi to please come on stage for the lamp lighting. और आज की शाम का आगाज करें. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for all our dignitaries.
ना दुख की तुमको धूप लगे, ना सांसों की टूटे लड़ी,
सांसों की टूटे लड़ी, ना सांसों की टूटे लड़ी.
ना फिक्र करो, ना फिक्र करो, ना फिक्र करो, ना फिक्र करो.
हर लम्हा हर घड़ी
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. We are the doctors, we're always there for you. We are the doctors, we're always there for you. We are the doctors, we're always there.
आज की शाम हम कुछ ऐसी हस्तियों को सम्मानित कर रहे हैं जिन्होंने अपनी अपनी फील्ड में नाम, इज्जत, शोहरत और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ढेर सारी दुआएं हासिल की है.
Absolutely. और डॉक्टर सुनीता दुबे जिनकी मेहनत और एफर्ट से हर साल ये सेरेमनी ऑर्गेनाइज की जाती है. A special mention for you, ma'am. Thank you so much for doing this.
Yes.
And of course, Medscape India. एक मैसेज उन सब के लिए from a very talented group of artists. They have been the darlings of television viewers across the nation and have got global appreciation for their talent. And they are called the Fictitious Group.
आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी छू के देखो दिल मेरा तुम्हें दिल में अपने भर लूंगी पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी
ਸਾਡਾ ਹੱਕ ਇੱਥੇ ਰੱਖ 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 ਸਾਡਾ ਹੱਕ ਇੱਥੇ ਰੱਖ
ऐसी लड़कियों से अगर आप पंगा लोगे ना तो आपको डॉक्टर्स की जरूरत पड़ सकती है. बच के रहना भाई. And now it's time for awards. And first up, excellence in public health state. And to give away the award, I'd like to call upon stage Atul Joshi and Dr. Yogesh Dubey, Sangram Singh and Payal Rohati.
And the winner is
Excellence in Public Health State goes to Mr. Lakshmikant Parsekar, Goa.
Lakshmikant Parsekar, the Honorable Minister for Health, Government of Goa. He has been instrumental in providing totally free medical
Congratulations,
services
sir.
at all government hospitals and health centers in the state of Goa, which is the first in the country.
Shri Parsekar has started a Mediclaim scheme with illness fund scheme for citizens below poverty line. Huge applause for him, please. Thank you, sir. We love Goa, sir. Thank you very much.
I know, we love Goa, especially in December.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, sir. And the next award is for excellence in rural healthcare.
Dr. Hedgewar Rugnalai.
Dr. Hegdewar Rugnalai, Dr. Prasanna Patil, Director, Rural Health Wing of Dr. Hegdewar Hospital, and Bhavna Pandey, Manager, Relations, Mumbai. With its Sanjeevani Rural Healthcare Project in Aurangabad, has changed thousands of lives in places where proper healthcare was not available.
The hospital takes pride in providing best healthcare and services with state-of-the-art infrastructure to people in rural areas.
Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations, sir.
All right, Agla award hai Excellence in Physiotherapy. And to give away this award, I'd like to call upon stage the next set, Dr. Sunita Dubey, Dr. Neeraj Dubey, Mohammad Azruddin, and Sahil Anand. Welcome back on stage, ma'am.
I think the winner is Dr. Ali Rani.
Oh my God.
How amazingly ironical could this be?
Mantra, who doesn't know Dr. Ali Rani? Please tell me that.
Everybody knows Dr.
Everybody knows, and especially Mohammad Azruddin, the legend
Exactly.
himself. Well, ladies and gentlemen, he's an institution in himself. He takes his philanthropic work very seriously and is a champion at community-based rehabilitation through rural physiotherapy camps. Dr. Irani was instrumental in setting up physio and rehab centers in Bhuj, Gujarat for the earthquake victims a few years ago. Truly a man with a heart of gold.
Mantra, you always complain about your shoulder. No? Go to Dr. Ali, no?
Bad, sir. You have to check, sir. This one little nudge, sir. Only if you could, sir, just take a look, sir. I'm cured! I'm cured! I've been touched by Dr. Irani. This is it. That's what this magician is capable of doing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Irani.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
And we move to the next awards, and ये award है Excellence in Gynecology.
Dr. Rishikesh Pai.
He's been the honorary assistant consultant for Kurla Municipal Hospital, serving patients for free from 1991 till date, ladies and gentlemen. A perfect example of service before self.
Thank my wife Rishma in the audience and all my friends and colleagues for helping me to reach this stage. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Pai.
Our next award is for Excellence in Cardiology.
Award goes to Dr. Mohsin Wali.
ना दुख की तुमको धूप लगे ना सांसों की टूटे लड़ी
ना फिक्र करो ना फिक्र करो
हर लम्हा हर घड़ी हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं
Thank you very much, and thank you for organizing this evening. Thank you, Azhar Bhai, and thank you everybody in the audience and at this stage.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Full on dhamal, full masti, ek real life couple. Those zabardast performers. Please put your hands together for the superstars of television, the very handsome Gurmeet and the gorgeous Debina.
ऐसी क्या चली हवा कि ले गई मेरी सांसों को मुझसे दूर तेरे पास और मुझे हुआ ऐसा तू मेरी मैं तेरा होने लगा मैं तेरा तू मेरी होने लगी
ओ राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम इनका तो फंडा है सिंपल सा यार गोली मारो तो पंगा आंख मारो तो प्यार राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम रख पॉकेट में घोड़ा दे घोड़े को लगा रख पॉकेट में घोड़ा दे घोड़े को लगा राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम चाहे लीला चाहे
What's up, Davina? What's up, Gurmeet?
Superstars! Superstars! Wow, man.
What a performance.